Good morning, all of you. Today we have to see the foundation and revision of photosynthesis. All of you know photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the formation of the food in the presence of the sunlight. Actually, this is the process of formation of food, but also maintains the O2 CO2 balance in the nature. That is very important in the nature, na? The maintenance of the O2 CO2 balance. And each thing has scientific reason. Whatever the CO2 from the atmosphere comes or utilized in the photosynthesis, na? That is for which purpose? That is for the glucose formation, that CO2 is absorbed. And H2O is also taken inside the plant for photosynthesis process. What is the use of that H2O? That splits into hydrogen and oxygen, and how that used in the NADPH formation, and how the byproduct O2, that all these things are in the photosynthesis. And all of you know the place where photosynthesis takes place. That is called what? The place of photosynthesis is called chloroplast, and that chloroplast contains the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll are of different types: chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, okay, carotene, xanthophylls, that are having different wavelength colors, but they reflects the light green. So we appears the plants green. That is due to the reflection of green light. We sees the light, we sees the leaves that is in green color. And photosynthesis is having the two systems: photosystem first and photosystem second. The photosystem first is having the particular wavelength of light, that is 680 nanometer. Photosystem first is having 700 nanometer. Photosystem first is having 700 nanometer range, and photosystem second is having 680 nanometer. These are the two type of photosystem present, and that is in the light reaction and light reaction. And in light reaction of photosynthesis, there is two types: cyclic photophosphorylation and non-cyclic photophosphorylation. In cyclic photophosphorylation, what happens? Only ATP molecules are formed and only photosystem first is there. But in non-cyclic photophosphorylation, both ATP and NADPH2 molecules are formed, and both photosystem first and second works in the non-cyclic photophosphorylation. All these are the which type? Light reactions. So all of you getting in light reaction, what is happening in the presence of light? Photolysis of water taking place. Water is breaking down into hydrogen and oxygen. That is photolysis of water. And photophosphorylation means formation of ATP molecule is called photophosphorylation. That is of two type: cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation. So all of you getting the first reaction of photosynthesis, that is light reaction. That is also called biochemical reaction, and that is having the two events: photolysis of water and photophosphorylation. Water breaking process H2O, and formation of ATP molecules, that is in cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation. So all of you got this. This is the light reaction. What about the dark reaction of photosynthesis? This does not require the light, but whatever the product formed in light reaction, that is ATP and NADPH2 molecules, that is used in the dark reaction. And actual the glucose production that takes place in the dark reaction. So this is called biosynthetic phase. This is called what? Biosynthetic phase. And these glucose molecules when forms, suddenly that extra glucose converted into starch, and that is stored in the plants. So all of you getting these two types of the two part of this photosynthesis, that is light reaction and dark reaction. So difference, if you are cleared in these two, light reaction and dark reaction, again these concepts will be more clear to you. And now after that, in dark reaction, there are C3 and C4 cycles. C3 cycle occurs in common plant, temperate plants, not in high temperature, just like mango, wheat, rice. These temperate plants, in not so much heat, that plants are called C3 plants. Okay, and in C3 plants also photorespiration also takes place. And C4 plants are called what? They are also called HSK pathway also, or again name Kranz anatomy. So the difference between the C3 and C4 cycle is also important. So which is the first product forming in C3 and C4? Why C3 called? Why C4 called? Okay. Which are the example of C4 plants? C4 plant example that is in temperature when more, no? Just like in desert condition, that is C4 plant. HSK pathway. Example: maize, sugar cane, sorghum. These are the example of C4 plants. So all of you getting this C3 and C4. Now after that, photorespiration. What is this photorespiration? When oxygen level excess, na, and that oxygen is used for the respiration process in the plant in the presence of sunlight, and CO2 is given out. That is called photorespiration. And the important enzyme works here is Rubisco. This is very concentrated enzyme. So it acts very slowly. All of you getting? Rubisco is the concentrated enzyme, so it acts very slowly. And after that, which are the factors affecting on photosynthesis? There are different factors affecting on the photosynthesis, just like sunlight, CO2, water. Okay, these are the different factors which affects on the rate of photosynthesis. If one factor is also less, that affects on the rate of photosynthesis. That rate of photosynthesis will decrease. Okay, this is regarding the factors affecting on photosynthesis. So all of you got regarding photosynthesis, very simple. Whatever the food we take from the plants, that is due to the photosynthesis. Sunlight is required for that. CO2 is also required. Whatever the water coming, that splits, photolysis of water, that takes place in the light reaction. All of you getting? And CO2 is assimilated in dark reaction, that is used for the glucose formation. So all of you got what actually the photosynthesis. So regarding these different cells also, in which cell photosynthesis occurs. Okay, so different type of scientific reasons you have to search regarding that. Simply you got what actually the photosynthesis, where it takes place, what is the output byproduct of photosynthesis, that is O2. Okay, and the two type of reaction takes place, light and dark. What happens in light? Photolysis of water, cyclic and non-cyclic reactions. And in dark reaction, that is the biosynthetic reaction. Actual formation of food takes place. Glucose formation takes place in the dark reaction. Okay. And that C3 and C4 difference also we have seen. Why called C3 and C4? That difference also you have to see. Okay. This is about the photosynthesis, general foundation and revision we have taken. As per this direction, you can go in more details and see more, even objectives and in more depth. Okay, thank you.